taste like. Is it on? So today, guys, we're gonna make homemade Rice Krispie. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter. 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 2, 3, and the last one, 4.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, what?
And then we put the
Wait.
marshmallows in
Milk.
butter until it's liquid. And then we put the marshmallows. And the finishing is we're gonna put it on this tray. We have marshmallows, and Rice Krispie cereals. Crunchy. And now you put the marshmallows in.
Wait. Yeah.
And now we wait till the marshmallows melt for the cereals. Okay. It's gonna turn into yellow, I think. No, it's not. Okay. It's gonna take a long time for this to melt. We put medium heat, guys.
Do it.
It's gonna be so yummy. I'm gonna eat it all. It's almost melted. They're not sticking because of the butter.
Oh my god. It's nice.
Chef Grayson.
2, 3.
Dad's gonna try to download the editor.
The editor.
And we have
And the Grayson here is cooking.
This is our breakfast. I never had breakfast yet. And it's almost done. It's
Okay, the Rice Krispie is ready to.
also an exercise, guys. So we just put it on low, guys, and now we're gonna mix it until it looks like Rice Krispie. It's gonna be a long time. It's off, guys. It's so mouth-watery.
You put honey?
No need for honey. It's already sweety. And then now we're going to use our hands and make it turn into rectangular Rice Krispies. And then we're gonna put on here, and then we're gonna make it cool down, and then we're gonna eat it. Then we're gonna be happy.
what? 0. What?
Okay, that's ready to go there now. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
6, 0, 4.
Okay. Put here.
You don't need to dash.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
7,
Now you have to flat that.
and then 3.
Nako, buitik yun. There's still a lot, snack.
Yeah. Gonna be tiny. Make it equal size. Almost pantay. So what you're saying?
Okay,
It's pantay, guys. Now
later.
we eat it. Now we put it in the refrigerator for about how long, Mama?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Oh, I can survive.
So guys, we it hasn't been 5 minutes because we put it outside, but it's cold already. But you don't need to put it outside if you want. You can put it in the
Beautiful.
freezer. Now we're gonna cut it, and then we eat it. Don't be too excited, guys. We still have lots of things to do.
And then I cut the 2 lines.
Tikas. Crunchy. Bang.
Okay, cut na to dito. Yan ang kainin niyo. It needs more cool na. Para ano, mag-stick ka together.
Ow!
Yes.
How it tastes like. It's very sticky, Mama.
It's very good.
Tastes like Rice Krispie. No need to buy them on.
So?
You guys can cook better.
You can cook in your home, right? Just buy Rice Krispie cereals and marshmallow.
You can even make a big one.
Next
We're
time.
gonna be making more off cam though.
It's so good.
Tubaon.
We don't need to cut this anymore.
Yeah. Not too sweet. Good.
Cut it.
No. No.
That's good. Not too sweet. Yeah.
I'm good.
I'm a figure.
Too good.
Yeah. Kung baon. That's good. Baon niya. And make your own baon. But tell them to subscribe and
We made this, guys.
and
Okay. We made this, guys, because we're on a vacation.
So good.
Easter break. So, guys,
baon.
please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. And comment if you can.
So good.
See
You
you
must
guys.
try. Kids, you must try this
Yes,
at
you
home.
must try.
Your
Recommended.
mom will be happy.
So bye. See you on the next vlog.
See ya. And make this for your mom at Valentine's Day. Put it red.
Or,
And make it into a heart.
Or your dad from Father's Day.
You need a little bit colder, yeah?
Yeah.
This is sticking.
They're excited, so no need to wait to be cold. We'll make a huge one.
Too much.
The whole 3 like this. Right? And then thick like,
Oh my gosh.
the dad want to try.
Morning. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna give them some,
Look at the 8-pack.
Just a bite.
It's okay. I'm good. I'm done.
Huh?
But they have different style also.
What is doing? Sushi?
Sushi or what?
So there's a different kind. If you don't want squares and round thing, you can do that.
What do you...
Yeah.
We can balance this when we're biking. Okay.
Then put it out fridge and then it will cool down. And later you can just cut it up.
But we're not doing that. I'm eating it.
Okay, we'll make another one.